Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a recent restore point and backing up any critical files. This preserves data if restoration changes settings. Next, you force safe mode. Hold Shift while clicking Restart or use settings right arrow update and security right arrow recovery. Once the PC restarts, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings. Make sure to select Restart so you can pick option 4 or F4 for safe mode. This route isolates system drivers, so restore runs with minimal integration. Once in safe mode, you launch system restore by typing rstrui in the search box or navigating control panel, right arrow recovery, right arrow open system restore. You then pick the most relevant restore point, check the date and description, and click Scan for affected programs to understand what will change. After you confirm, System Restore will prepare and then reboot the machine to apply the snapshot. Make sure you don't interrupt this process, because stopping at mid-apply can leave the system unstable. After restart, Windows reports whether the restore succeeded. You should log in and test crucial apps and drivers to confirm functionality. If it fails, don't panic. Try an earlier restore point or run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, and DISM to repair system files before retrying. If drivers or updates block progress, reboot into safe mode with networking to download fixes or use a USB recovery drive to access more tools. These steps narrow causes and help return you to a stable system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.